Ever wondered why TikTok has become such a cultural phenomenon? Dive into the world of TikTok, a platform that started as a ripple and turned into a tidal wave, captivating millions of users worldwide. TikTok's journey began in the heart of China with a company named ByteDance. In September 2016, ByteDance launched a short-form video app called Douyin. Douyin quickly caught on, riding the wave of popularity among the tech-savvy and trend-setting Generation Z. In less than a year, Douyin had over 100 million users and more than 1 billion video views every day. ByteDance soon realized that they had a potential global hit on their hands. So, in September 2017, they launched the international version of Douyin, and TikTok as we know it was born. But ByteDance didn't stop there. They had their sights set on global domination. In November 2017, ByteDance made a strategic move and acquired the social media app Musical.ly. This acquisition gave them a direct route to the hearts and screens of millions of teenagers in the United States and other parts of the world. Then, in August 2018, ByteDance pulled off a masterstroke. They merged TikTok with Musical.ly, creating a single unified platform. This move catapulted TikTok into the global spotlight. The app's popularity exploded, and by October 2018, TikTok was the most downloaded app in the United States. Over the years, TikTok has continued to grow, forming partnerships with celebrities and organizations and generating significant advertising revenue. It has also expanded into e-commerce, opening up a new avenue for growth and revenue generation. However, TikTok's meteoric rise has not been without controversy. It has faced scrutiny over data privacy issues and content concerns. Despite these challenges, TikTok has managed to maintain its popularity with over 2 billion mobile downloads worldwide. So, what does the future hold for TikTok? Well, TikTok is poised to continue its global expansion with a particular focus on e-commerce. It is projected that TikTok will generate substantial revenue in the coming years from this new venture. Moreover, TikTok's influence on popular culture is likely to grow. With its short, catchy videos, TikTok has the power to shape trends and influence behavior on a global scale. In the future, we might see TikTok becoming more than just a social media app. It could become a major player in the world of e-commerce, a trendsetter in popular culture, and a platform that shapes the way we consume and interact with content. In a world that is increasingly digital, TikTok's influence is likely to expand and evolve. It's a platform that started with a simple idea, and it's now a cultural phenomenon that shows no signs of slowing down. TikTok's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the influence of social media in our lives. It's a story that's still being written, and it's one we'll all be watching.